Steve again from the Steve Henry Show. This Saturday, my God, you don't want to miss it. And I say that every Saturday, but you really, really don't want to miss this Saturday. A lot of education coming here. If you had not lived or participated in the California experience, that being living there or visiting there, coastal I'm talking, no more so than inland, then you probably have never heard of something called an abalone. An abalone. This is an abalone. This abalone is caught, literally hand-picked and caught off the coast of California. It is the white abalone. There's about 7 different species. Today, you can only get abalone in the finest restaurants. New York, you might find 5 or 6 of those type of restaurants that have abalone. Abalone is a sea snail. Properly prepared, it is the most delicate white meat you'll ever put to your lips. We are going to make something called Phony abalone because you can't get it. That's right. In 2007, the Department of Fish and Game, California, banned it all completely. If you were caught out there doing something like this on a rock, yeah, you're going to prison. For 20 years, it has been a moratorium. Now they're saying 2026 before you can do this again on a rock and pull an abalone off a coastal rock in California. The legal size limit was 7 inches too. And you know how long it takes an abalone to grow to 7 inches? Yeah, it takes about 9 years. So it's a process. Factoring all that in, I worked for a restaurant that actually served abalone, my very first restaurant experience. And it was an amazing thing. People lined out the door for this. You can deep fry it. We're going to do it 2 different ways, and I'll show you that presentation. As you always know, that presentation is a wow! I want you to be able to serve this for a party of 6 or take it to a party of 6 and have people like in Vermont or Idaho or West Virginia or wherever say, what? And you can explain to them what abalone is. It's amazing. That's right. At 4 o'clock on Saturday Mountain Time, you are going to learn the experience of an abalone and how to prepare it. It's going to be amazing. All right, without further ado, you see my apron. That's Stephanie. Thank you, Stephanie. A gift from her. We're going to make a bunch of these up. I'm going to have them available, but that's pretty cool. I got, the big trouble. I had it last Saturday. I should have worn it. Remember last Saturday it didn't sound too good? Sound a little better and feel a little better, but my memory wasn't going very well. But anyways, here it is in full stride. Did you know that 22 people got lucky and got a $50 check in the year 2022? I thought that was pretty cool. So you should be receiving, if you were the first of the 22 people to answer the question, what color, Steve? Well, it was white. It went to Heather Hamlin in Utah. That was our first Jeep giveaway. We have 5 underway now that are gone. We're going to have 6, and I understand we may have another one. If all goes well, I thought of this. How about this, you guys? Instead of vetting or any of that, how about the people that show up on Saturday, February 12th, just like the $200 spin, that's where we're going to pull the Jeep victorious from. Yeah. Now, that would be kind of interesting. Whoever's there, got to be there Saturday because that's how we'd do it. We'd put your name in the spinner for that Jeep as well as $200. But for the Jeep, would pull it out. Yeah, you present. You said something in the comments that I'm here. You should have a Jeep brought to you curbside there just for participating in the show that particular day. Now, that's not concrete yet, but I'm thinking about it. I'm working on it. And there's another process where I'm going to give a Jeep away to a certain party that needs a little help. That's going to be kind of cool, too. You'll learn about that here in a near time. So, out of the 22 people, I want to rewind that for a second. There was one person. I still do not, I repeat, do not have your address. And you are Nicole Ingram. Nicole, if you're watching or if anybody knows Nicole, we need your address, sweetheart. I can get you that money out today. That's $50, boom. And you know we give $200 away every week. The 2 Jeeps are coming. There's a lot more coming, but abalone, phony baloney, sauteed and deep fried and presented like you've never seen before. It's going to be our meal this weekend. And it's perfect for football. That's right. The playoffs, the Super Bowl, whatever. So get together of 6 people or more, a little this, a little that, and some abalone, phony baloney. You're going to have the hit of the party. You don't want to miss it. This Saturday, live, Mountain Time. It's newstevehenryshow.com for all that merchandise. The digital downloads are coming. We need your email. We need your phone, too. We got a reason for that. A big ding, 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 ding reason for that coming up. Right. That's right. Saturday, live, 4 o'clock. Don't miss it. Here live, Mountain Time in Albuquerque. We'll see you there.